Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
To manage the portfolios that you have created in WordPress, click the Portfolio Items button in the navigation bar within the Admin panel. Then, if needed, click the All Portfolio Items link under the Portfolio Items section in the navigation bar to display the Portfolios page in the area to the right of the window. The portfolios that you have created will be displayed within the rows in a list in this page. The two columns within this list are title and date. Portfolios that have not yet been published will appear in the list with the word draft at the end of their portfolio titles shown in the titles column within this list. Within this page, you can use the buttons and commands to manage your portfolios. You can click the Add New Portfolio Item button that appears at the top of the page next to the title to create a new portfolio. This duplicates the function of clicking the Add New Portfolio Item link within the navigation bar. You can click the Screen Options button in the upper right corner of the page to display a Show On Screen area at the top of the page where you can set the display of portfolios in the page. To show the portfolio date column within this list, check the date checkbox within the Show On Screen section. You can enter the number of portfolios to show within a page in the Portfolios page by typing a number into the Portfolios field. Then click the adjacent Apply button in this section to apply your screen settings. You can then click the Screen Options button again to hide this section without making any changes if needed. You can click the All link that appears in the upper left corner of this page to view a list of all of your portfolios. You can click the Published link to view only portfolios that have been published if available. You can click the Draft link to only view drafts of portfolios that have not yet been published if you have portfolio drafts. If you have portfolios in the Trash folder, then you can click the Trash link to view the portfolios in the Trash folder. To search for specific portfolios, type the text to find into the Search Portfolio Items field in the top right side of the page, and then click the adjacent Search Portfolio Items button to find matching portfolio items and show them in the list below. You can use the Bulk Actions drop-down to bulk edit or delete multiple selected portfolios at once. To do this, first select which portfolios to bulk edit or bulk delete by clicking the checkbox to the left of each that you want to select within the list. You can select all portfolios on a page by simply clicking the checkbox next to the word Title at the top of the list. Then use the Bulk Actions drop-down to select either Edit or Move to Trash. Then click the Apply button to bulk edit or delete the selected portfolios. If performing a bulk edit, you can then use the Categories and Status drop-downs in the bulk edit section that appears to categorize or change the status of the selected portfolios shown in the Bulk Edit field to the left. Then click the Update button in the lower right corner of the Bulk Edit field in order to update and change the selected portfolios shown in the Bulk Edit field. If needed, you can click the Cancel button in the lower left corner of the Bulk Edit section to cancel the bulk editing. Note that if you selected Move to Trash, the selected files are immediately moved into the Trash folder. However, note that you can click the Undo link next to the bulk delete results to undo it if needed. You can filter the portfolios shown in this list by date by using the Filter drop-down to select a date and then clicking the adjacent Filter button. You can click the List button in the upper right corner above the list to view the list of portfolios within the default list view. You can click the Adjacent Excerpts button to its right to view the portfolios in the Excerpts view instead if preferred. You can also sort the portfolios by title or date. To do this, roll your mouse pointer over the name of the column by which you want to sort the portfolios, and then use the arrows that appear to the right of each column name. Click the up arrow to organize the portfolios in ascending alphabetical or chronological order. Click the arrow again to sort the portfolios in descending alphabetical or chronological order. To manage the individual portfolios listed, roll your mouse pointer over a portfolio within the list to view the file management commands that then appear under the title of the portfolio within the title column. The command choices shown are Edit, Quick Edit, Trash, and either Preview or View. To edit the portfolio, click the Edit command to open the Edit Portfolio Item page, which is exactly like the Add New Portfolio page. Make any changes that you want within this page, and then click either the Save Draft or Update buttons in the Publish panel that appears at the right side of the page to save your editing changes. You can then click the All Portfolio Items link in the Portfolio Items section of the navigation bar to return to the list of portfolio items when finished. To quickly edit portfolio settings, you can click the Quick Edit command to open a Quick Edit section at the top of the list. Here you can change the values for the title, slug, date, password, categories, or status of the portfolio by entering values into the fields of the same name. Then simply click the Update button in the lower right corner of the Quick Edit section to save the editing changes, or click the Cancel button in the lower left corner of the section to cancel the editing changes. To immediately move a portfolio to the Trash folder, simply click the Trash command. After the portfolio has been moved to the Trash folder, you will be notified of that fact by a message that appears over the list. Note that you can click the Undo button that appears within this message to undo the move and place the portfolio back into its previous portfolio folder if needed. To preview a draft portfolio or simply view a published portfolio, click either the Preview or View command that appears below the draft or the published portfolio in the list to view it in the same window.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.